Alchemic Mastery Podcast, Episode 5, The Body Remembers, Somatic Healing for Beginners. Hey, welcome back to another episode of Alchemy in Motion, the Alchemic Mastery Podcast, the space where we turn pain into power, a sacred space for healing, transformation, and self-mastery. I'm your host, Treviann, and today we're exploring something that most of us were never taught, but deeply need: somatic healing. We're about to take a deep dive in looking into how the body remembers. So far, we've talked about awareness, emotion, and rewriting your story. So now we come home to the body, because no matter how much you think your way through healing, your body still holds the score. The truth about trauma and the body. Let me start with this. Your trauma didn't just happen in your mind, it happened in your nervous system. So if you've ever wondered why you keep overreacting, shutting down, people pleasing, feeling unsafe, even in safe situations, your body is remembering. The body stores unprocessed emotions. It holds patterns of survival like fight, which shows up in anger, tension, control; flight, which shows up as anxiety, overthinking, urgency; freeze, this shows up as disassociation, numbness, procrastination; fawn, which shows up as overpleasing, merging, abandoning oneself for the approval of others. Most of us have no idea we're cycling through these every day. There was a time when I was doing all the inner work, the journaling, the affirming, praying, sitting in silence, meditating, but I still felt stuck. My chest would tighten and my jaw would clench. My body felt as if I was holding onto a storm that I couldn't name. I thought I was healing, but I was still disassociated from my body. And that's when I realized I wasn't including my body in my healing. I was spiritually aware, but somatically disconnected. Why somatic healing matters? Your body is not your enemy. It's your guide. It tells you what it needs. In every single situation, it speaks. Listen. Somatic healing brings you back into your body with compassion. It helps you regulate your nervous system, release stored trauma gently, feel safe inside yourself again, expand your capacity for joy, peace, and connection. Basic somatic practices for beginners. 1. Grounding through the feet. Stand barefoot outdoors and breathe slowly. Feel the earth under you. Say, I am safe here. 2. 4, 7, 8 breath work. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. Do this 3 times to reset your nervous system. 3. Body scan. Slowly move your awareness from your head to your toe. Where is the tension, numbness, or sensation? 4. Gentle movement. Stretch, sway, or shake. Move your body in a way that feels freeing, not forced. 5. Somatic journaling. Ask yourself, what does my body need today? Or where am I holding this emotion, the pain, the trauma? Journal prompts. What survival response do I most relate to? Fight, flight, freeze, or fawn? Where in my body do I feel that response the most? What would it look like to feel safe in my body? How can I be most optimal in my response in moments of survival? And I want to leave you with this powerful reminder from Dr. Bessel van der Kolk. The body keeps the score. The body remembers what the mind forgets. Affirmation of the week. My body is wise. I listen to it with compassion and respond with care. You don't have to force your healing. You just have to feel it. safely. Let this week be about slowing down, reconnecting with your physical self, and creating a healing relationship with your body. You're allowed to rest. You're allowed to feel. You are allowed to heal without pressure. And remember, the body remembers, but it also knows how to release. Thank you for tuning in wherever you are tuning in from. If you're on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe. Help us to grow this beautiful healing community. If you would like, go ahead and share. Don't be shy. Go ahead and comment below. Let me know how your healing journey has been going. And if we could support you in any way, we would be happy to do so. Grab your copy of Alchemy. Transform your trauma and challenges into golden opportunities, just so you could go deeper. If you feel led to, also, you could go ahead and join the healing portal at alchemicmastery.com. I love you guys. Until next week, I see you.